Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. Today in my channel we are going to learn how to we can generate the QR code. QR codes have become the increasingly popular for various reasons, like we can use it in various applications from marketing to inventory management to increase your sale and to spread awareness about your product. So in this video, we will guide you how we can make the QR code using the simple website. You can create a QR code using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript also. But let's start with the simple by using the simple websites. So I just go to the qrcode.generator.com. After going there the various options are given here. They give the URLs. You can just place your URL here. You can paste your URL here. They have the PDF option. They have the Twitter option. Then you can just enter your text also here. There is a SMS also. The different things are given here. We can use for your public to marketing your products and something. But here I just give you the simple website, just like http://youtube.com. After giving here, you can be you can just click here on the generate, and there are the different options also have given here to make your logo more better by using the by using your company logos. You can just upload your company logo, it will become here. You can use a different types of frames here to make your logo more better way. Then there are the different option, you can use it. Okay, after doing this, you can just click on the generate, or you can just click on the download image. So I am just clicking on the download image. You need to sign in here, and then you can download your image to use in the your various applications. So that is the way easy way to get your logo generated with the help of these websites. Thanks for watching this video. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video.